YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration, and Little Biscuit is joining me. We are going to teach you today about refreshing old wood. It's super simple, and I'm going to show you a product that I use. It's like my go-to product in my arsenal of restoration supplies, and it's so simple to apply. This will be a really quick video, but I wanted to tell you about this stuff. A lot of people refer to it as like magic in a tin. It's by a company called Wise Owl. They also carry like a really great 1-hour enamel paint that I've done a tutorial and a review on. They also have a great line of chalk paint. This is called their furniture salve. It comes in a tin. It looks like this, has an owl on it, and it looks like this. It's got kind of like a green hue to it, and it smells amazing. So this furniture salve comes in 13 different scents. Everything from, well, my favorite is lemon verbena. That's my ultimate favorite. It's really, I would say it's very light, not overpowering. My kids really like this scent. There's another scent called tobacco flower. My son likes that one. It's more masculine. But they have like white tea, they have a citrus one, but just go check it out. I'll include a link below this video if you're interested in ordering this product. So I've had this bench behind me in my kitchen probably for the last 4 years. It's just been an extra piece of furniture that's just been in my kitchen. I didn't do anything to the wood. That is until this evening I applied a whole bunch of this Wise Owl furniture salve, and I'm going to show you the video of what it looked like before. It had like a dark gray color to it. The wood looked dried out, and now I'm going to show you this wood looks absolutely gorgeous. It's dark, the knots are popping, it just looks so refreshed, and it looks new. Do you see that shine to it? It's all protected now. So the Wise Owl furniture salve goes on really easy. I use it mostly on natural wood, so meaning like no finish is on the wood, okay? We're thinking bare wood you can use this on. I also use it on the inside of furniture drawers. I do a lot of restoration work, and when I get pieces of furniture, a lot of them are musty smelling, and they're nasty on the inside, some of them, the drawers. This product works excellent for getting rid of odors. I just take it and I wipe it on the inside of the drawers, along the inside of the sides as well, and it takes whatever musty scent is in there, it just takes it away. I just can't talk enough about this product. I think I did one other video talking about this product maybe a little over a year ago, and I'm like, I have to do another one because I have to show people how much of this stuff I use. I mean, I'm not making this up. Here's one tin. There you go, there's 3 tins. I use this stuff a lot, so I'm just not talking it up and not a true fan of it. I am an absolute fan of this stuff. So it comes in a tin. They have different sizes. This is an 8-ounce tin, just to give you an idea of the size. They have another size, a little smaller, a 4-ounce, and then I just saw they have a larger size. I think it's a 32-ounce. So I apply the furniture salve one or two ways. If it's a flat wood surface, so say not a lot of grooves and stuff like that, this one is very rustic, so this is really rough. This wood is really rough. If you have rough wood, I would advise getting a cheap 2-inch chip brush, dipping it in, and then basically painting it on. And you'll notice right away a difference. Your wood will darken, it'll get a lot richer. You can also use a rag. So if your wood surface is a lot smoother, I would say just go with a rag and wipe it on. And then you let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then you come back with a clean rag and you just buff it. That's it. It is so simple. And you just get the most amazing, amazing results. And it goes on really, really fast, and then you're done. So I can't talk enough about this stuff. Again, very easy to apply. It's relatively inexpensive. Check out the link if you're interested in ordering some. Like I said, I will now include a video. I did a video of what this bench looked like with half of the furniture salve applied to it and half without it. It's just a world of difference what this product can do. So go get yourself some. I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. I also see a lot of people reach out to me, and probably the biggest questions people have is when they're redoing old furniture, is pieces have been sitting in garages, attics, secondhand stores, and they usually have a funky smell. This stuff takes any type of smell out. I also used it recently on this antique wash stand. And the inside here, it was disgusting. And I sanded the wood and then I applied the furniture salve, and now it looks pristine on the inside and it just smells amazing. So please take my word for it. Get yourself some Wise Owl furniture salve. This stuff is awesome. Okay, you guys, I know this was a quick tutorial. I just wanted to share this with you, and then I'm going to show you the video to just be the proof in the pudding. And Biscuit's back there, and Biscuit, what do we always say at the end of our videos? We say toodaloo. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do. The button is in the lower right-hand corner. It's a red button. You can't miss it. Click on that, and then you'll get all these updates of just when I upload new videos. Okay? We will see you guys soon. Bye now.